Here's how you can solve the video or mic icon not showing on your iPhone during audio or video call. Before we start, you need to know this. First, if we open an app calling app like FaceTime or WhatsApp, or from the app when we do the video call, you can see the icon appears. However, when we remove the app from the background, this icon disappears. Now, if that does not happen for you, try this out. Solution 1. Enable mic for iPhone. Open Settings, scroll down, tap Privacy and Safety. Find out the microphone. Enable microphone for FaceTime. Solution 2. Turn off the restriction for iPhone. Open Settings, scroll down, tap Screen Time, scroll down, tap Content and Privacy Restriction. Now toggle this off. Solution 3. Enable SharePlay. Open Settings, scroll down, tap FaceTime, scroll down, tap SharePlay. Turn this on. Solution 4. Update iOS. Make sure your iPhone is running the latest version of iOS. New updates often bring bug fixes and improvements which may resolve the issues with missing features in the control center. Solution 5. Reset all settings. Open Settings, scroll down, tap General, scroll down, tap Transfer and Reset. Tap Reset. Tap Reset Network Settings. After following the process, your problem will be solved. Now, if you still have anything to ask, please ask me in the comment section. Thanks for watching.